WhatsApp is testing a new secret feature that makes messages disappear on your device once the recipients have read it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. According to a new leak, there's a new feature coming that will delete messages on iOS once they've been read. That could be a good way to protect your privacy if you don't want certain messages to stick around. Disappearing messages already existed in WhatsApp. Right now, you can set messages to vanish after a specified period of time have passed, like 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. However, this doesn't consider whether the text have actually been read before they get deleted. The new update changes that. It adds an after reading option in the message timer settings that will erase your text once the recipient has seen them. That gives you more flexibility and ensures that the text receiver actually has a chance to read what you sent before it's gone. It's a new layer of privacy to disappearing messages, and while the requirement is for users to have read the message you've sent them, you can still control how long WhatsApp waits after that before deleting the texts, with options including 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 12 hours. Though messages that remain unread will disappear after 24 hours, regardless of the setting you choose. But let's say, if you set the timer to 5 minutes, the message will be removed from your own device after that period. But if the person on the other end doesn't open it for several hours, it'll still be available on their phone, but as soon as they open it, the 5-minute timer begins. There's currently no word on when this feature might be available, but still, this is a worthwhile addition, whether you already use disappearing messages and want more control to protect your privacy. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.